bona ngiphethe bani bafethu bathi Professor Mahezel ngithuthe kitshwanele wena ngifundise ngifane nawe teach me to be like you ngiyakutshela ongamazi angazi futhi nge-30 June gone kanje because kumele umazi lo muntu ukuthi ubani wenzani ekhulumalam for ama viewers angakwazi can you please introduce yourself ngegama lamampela isibongo and also tell our viewers wethu uhlala kweliphi kasi and ukhulule udlalela mapha ama team throughout i-career yakho ye-football.
Mkalibizwe ke Khotso Mlife, otherwise known as Professor. Ke holetse ona mo White City. Team tse ke di bapetseng. Di ngatanyana, but just to name a few, it's going to be ke Tigers, Mfololitsi, and then went to semi-professional leagues, Polokwane City Rovers, Bule Buyamsut.
Sure. So madam, because abantu kasi bayakuthanda everywhere you go mongena ground bayagijimela so le chance ukuthi bakwazi more ngawe so iRootman uqale kanjani ukudlala ibhola and yini into ekumotivateile ukuthi udlala ibhola and which player ukhule ubukela phansi kwalo as a role model?
How I started, I think it's a matter of growing up namajita nje kasi. Probably soccer is I believe the first option for any cheetah just to udlala disc. So I grew up ngidlala namajita like us and I fell in love ne disc. So I keep up and hopefully I thought ukuthi I will get probably maybe higher nyana level, but unfortunately it didn't happen. So yeah.
So your role model
Dr. Kumar.
Shout out to Dr. Kumar. So Khulumana sizinto ezincane la ezidlala ibhola ekasi. You know sometimes the ground udlala ibhola kunoba khona pressure. So you as a player, how do you handle the pressure and how do you prepare yourself for ama games?
Ukhuluma enye point important as I think it's a matter of prepare during the week at training.
Sure.
And fortunately enough, the coaches I had growing up bangceda to be strong mentally. Nokuthi is prepare in which manner, in which way.
Sure.
So those guys helped me a lot. Nokuthi is prepare in a good manner.
Sure. So you as a player, which player kawadlala nayo eli best as a teammate, eli best as opponent, and which player like ongakazi wadlala nalo, ongafisa ukudlala nalo as a teammate?
Asiqale as the opponent. There's a guy a Fosloras by the name of Fukariso Sinamel Kalau.
Sure.
Hey, that guy was Namanja, I still say the most difficult person I ever faced. So a teammate, I would go for Karabum Kabe. Teammate, and a player whom I wished to play with in my team. Who I would go for man. There's a striker, Sam Takasi. Nickname Sniper, I'm not sure.
Saki.
Shout out to Kalawa, shout out to Sniper, Sakile, and shout out also to who else? Man, Karabum Kavela. Sure. You know, most people like us, bakwazi udlala ku 10-10, udlala the combination yakho no Kalawa, Xavi, Iniesta, Vitinha, and João Neves. So, walk us through to like how does it feel udlala no Kalawa?
Angazi ngayicala if I could explain. Angazi ukuthi ngayicala to be honest. That guy, he's very clever. He's very clever. He's a guy whom I think every player would love to play naye as a teammate. He makes things very, very easy. He makes things very, very easy. Ukwazi ukureada iplay before ingenzeka some action uzobe sekayicalile nokuyirida, and he would try to come with a plan during the process, and mind you it takes seconds ukurida le nto le.
Sure. So you as a player ngokubona wakho, which position is the hardest ground in and why?
I think in the middle of the park, regardless of it's a CDM or attacking midfielder, but I think it's the hardest because any action in the field, their opposition he must be active. Whether you defend, whether you attack, that position must be active. So in all times you need to be aware of situation. Anything in you must be aware, you must be ready for anything in INC. So I think that's the most difficult position.
Okay, so let's say fika into encane ku I'm midfield ngidlala position oyidlalayo but angikwazi ukumaintain ngendlela right. Into encane ngeke advise uthini?
I think they need a guidance in a manner of coaching. See, if you coach to make things easier for you, probably growing up now is but guidance is very important. So in coaching for me, I would say your topic list a young boy, a bit better.
So let's prove to our viewers ukuthi uprofessor Kola akadlali nje uyalazi ngokudlala and uyalazi nangamela. So currently ibafana ku World Cup i first game. Ungayishape kanjani, ungayilungisa kanjani? Wena le nto yenze lapho ungayilungisa kanjani from the start game ingakaqali?
I think from the start, many squads change how they by defensive, try to be offensive because as they say, the best way to defend is to attack. So somehow go forward now and attack. Pose the threat to my opponent so that maybe now they will try to go back try now and take chances so that it's forward now and be dangerous from opponent.
So ngobuza ama question athanda ukubathiki kancane. You as a player, which one do you prefer ukuthi ucoach akushaya ngebench full match or accept shoot the first half or akufaka kick?
I bench sharp.
Full match.
Yeah, I bench sharp.
Team mama libukele you don't care bench.
I bench sharp for me.
So let's say uyakubuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni because terms ngibukela bakushaya ngebench. Let's say uyakubuza uzoma explainela uthini?
I would say probably tactical coach. So the coach has a good way to make a bench in.
The space right for now.
Okay, you see via the Malame anywhere of the day for Abashana and Indonesia from school as
I think Melibabe is snake first. Melibabe motivated. They should get one person whom they look to so that they try to push harder so that Babe Bapumelele now.